Have you ever felt that disconnect between your bank balance and your actual spending? You check your account, see a decent number, feel pretty good about your finances, and then 2 days later, suddenly you're wondering where all your money went. It's a common scenario, right? We live in a world where money moves faster than ever. Tap to pay, online shopping, subscription services, our financial landscape is a whirlwind of transactions. And in this whirlwind, traditional banking often leaves us playing catch-up. You see your paycheck land, and it feels like a fresh start. But by the time those pesky automated bill payments go out, by the time you've bought groceries, filled up your car, and treated yourself to that one thing you needed from Amazon, your mental tally is often way off. You might think you have $1,000 to spare, when in reality, after all your commitments and recent spending, you're closer to $200. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a major roadblock to effective financial management. This gap, this delay between spending and truly understanding your financial position, is precisely what real-time spending aims to bridge. Imagine if every time you swiped your card, every time a subscription renewed, that information was instantly reflected in a way that helped you understand its impact on your available money, not just your total balance. This isn't just about tracking transactions, it's about gaining immediate clarity, making informed decisions, and proactively managing your money instead of reactively wondering where it all went. For years, we've relied on budgeting methods that often feel like looking in the rearview mirror. We categorize expenses at the end of the month, we painstakingly input receipts into spreadsheets, or we wait for our bank statements to arrive, only to realize we overspent weeks ago. While these methods have their place and can offer valuable insights over time, they often lack the immediacy needed to steer our financial ship as it's sailing. That's where the power of real-time spending comes in. It's about more than just seeing transactions. It's about seeing those transactions in the context of your budget, your goals, and your remaining funds right now. Think about it. If you knew precisely how much you had left for groceries before you even stepped into the supermarket, wouldn't that influence your choices? If you could see the direct impact of that spontaneous online purchase on your fun money budget before you clicked confirm order, would you still go through with it? For many, the answer is a resounding yes, because awareness drives better decisions. Now, let's talk about a specific player in this real-time financial revolution, Wealthsimple with its cash account. Wealthsimple has built a reputation for making investing accessible and user-friendly, and they've extended that philosophy to everyday banking with their cash account, which they've even started calling their checking account. It's not just another bank account, it's designed to integrate your spending, saving, and even investing in a way that aims to give you a more holistic and real-time view of your financial life. So, how does Wealthsimple with cash fit into this idea of real-time spending, and why is it becoming such a compelling alternative to traditional banking for many? Well, for starters, Wealthsimple Cash offers immediate notifications for transactions. When you use your Wealthsimple Cash card, you get a ping on your phone almost instantly. This isn't just a basic notification, it often comes with categorization, helping you quickly identify where your money is going. This immediate feedback loop is crucial for real-time awareness. Instead of waiting days for a transaction to clear and appear on your statement, you know immediately that your coffee purchase just deducted X amount from your dining out budget. Beyond the instant notifications, Wealthsimple Cash aims to provide a more integrated financial ecosystem. Traditional banks often keep your checking, savings, and investment accounts in separate silos, sometimes even requiring different logins or apps. This fragmentation makes it harder to get a consolidated view of your overall financial health. Wealthsimple, on the other hand, tries to bring it all together. Your cash account is intrinsically linked to your Wealthsimple investment accounts, whether that's a managed portfolio, a self-directed trading account, or even crypto. This means you can easily see your total assets, not just your available cash, helping you understand your true wealth in real time, not just your spending money. Imagine this, you're planning a large purchase. With a traditional bank, you might check your checking account, see you have enough, make the purchase, and then later realize you dipped into funds you had earmarked for something else, simply because your investment accounts felt entirely separate. With Wealthsimple, the interconnectedness can provide a clearer picture. You can see your cash balance alongside your investment growth, allowing you to make more strategic decisions about when and how to spend or save. It fosters a mindset where your spending isn't just about the balance in your checking account, but about its impact on your entire financial portfolio. Another key aspect of real-time spending is the ability to easily categorize and analyze your expenditures. While some traditional banks are slowly catching up, many still offer very basic transaction descriptions or require manual categorization. Wealthsimple Cash, like many modern budgeting apps, often automatically categorizes your spending. And if it gets it wrong, you can quickly adjust it within the app. This simple feature is incredibly powerful for budgeting. When you can instantly see that 30% of your income went to dining out last month, it's much easier to identify areas where you might want to cut back for the next month. This isn't just about looking at historical data, it's about seeing trends as they emerge, allowing you to course correct proactively. Furthermore, Wealthsimple Cash has integrated features that encourage smarter financial habits. They offer competitive interest rates on your cash balance, rewarding you for keeping your money with them. This is a significant departure from many traditional checking accounts that offer little to no interest. Earning interest in real time on your everyday spending money can be a powerful motivator to maintain a healthy balance. They also offer cashback or crypto rewards on purchases made with your Wealthsimple Cash card, turning everyday spending into a small investment or savings opportunity. These little nudges, experienced in real time, can make a big difference in your long-term financial picture. Consider the psychological impact of real-time spending. When you see your balance update immediately after a transaction, it creates a more tangible connection between your actions and your financial reality. It's no longer abstract numbers on a monthly statement, it's a living, breathing representation of your financial health. This can foster a sense of control and accountability. You're less likely to fall into the trap of out of sight, out of mind spending when every expense is immediately registered and contextualized. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.